Hello everyone, welcome to day 28 of 30 days LeetCode challenge. Today we are going to solve spiral matrix problem. Involves traversing 2D matrix in spiral order and written elements in the list. In this problem we will have n by n matrix and we have to written all elements of the matrix in spiral order. So to solve this problem we will divide our solution into 3 steps. In the first step, we will initialize the boundaries. In step 2, we will traverse in the spiral order. So this step will divide into 4 parts, where in the first part, we will traverse from left to right along the top boundary. In the second part, we will traverse from top to bottom along the right boundary. And in the third, we will traverse from right to left along the bottom boundary. And in the last part, we will traverse from bottom to top along the left boundary. And then, at last, we will return our result. So by keeping these steps in mind, let's start coding. So first, we will declare a list result to store our output. Then we will have 4 variables, int top which is equal to 0, then int bottom which is equal to matrix.length minus 1, then int left which will be equals to 0, and at last int right which is equal to matrix of 0 dot length minus 1. Now for traversing we will declare a while loop which will iterate till top is less than equal to bottom and left is less than equal to right. Now we will move all these 4 sub-steps into that while loop. And now for traversing from left to right, we will have a for loop which will start from int I is equal to left till I is less than equal to right. And we will add this element to the result. And then we will increase the top value. Similarly, from traversing from top to bottom, we will have a for loop which will start from I is equal to top till I is less than bottom. Then we will add matrix of I dot right in the result. We will decrease the right value. For traversing right to left, first we will check if top is less than or equal to bottom. And then we will have a for loop which will iterate from I is equal to right till I is greater than or equal to left. And then we will add matrix bottom and I value to the result. And then we will decrease the bottom value. Similarly, before traversing from bottom to top, we will first check if left is less than or equal to right. And then we will have a for loop which will iterate from I is equal to bottom till I is greater than or equal to top. And we will add matrix of I left value to result. And after that we will increase left value. And that's it for this while loop. At last we will return the result. Now let's check if everything looks fine. Now let's try to run the code. And it's working fine. In this problem, adjusting boundaries help us to get the spiral matrix. The time complexity of this code is big O of m into n, where m is number of rows and n is number of columns. And the space complexity is big O of 1 additional space, as we only use few variables to keep track of boundaries. And that's it for today's explanation. I hope you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more problem solving insights tomorrow. Happy coding!